Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal stove easy method. Start by measuring 1 cup rolled oats and 2 cups liquid, either water or milk, into a saucepan. Bring the liquid to a gentle simmer before adding oats. Reduce heat to low and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring often to avoid sticking. Finish with a pinch of salt and your favorite mix-ins like fruit, nuts, or honey for flavor and texture. For better flavor and texture, toast the oats for a minute before adding liquid to deepen their taste. A small pinch of salt brings out sweetness, so add it early. If you like creamier oatmeal, stir in a splash of milk or cream at the end of cooking. Top with fresh fruit, nuts, seeds, or a drizzle of maple syrup for contrast. These small changes make stovetop oatmeal feel special and cozy. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation: the Oatmeal water bottle is great for sipping while you cook. It fits cup holders and has a reliable leak-proof spout, so you won't ruin your stove top cleanup. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Try quick oats when you need speed. They cook in 1 to 2 minutes with similar steps. If you prefer a chewier bite, choose steel-cut oats and expect a 20 to 30 minute simmer with more frequent stirring. For natural sweetness, stir in mashed banana or applesauce while cooking so the oats absorb flavor and moisture. These variations let you tailor breakfast to time, texture, and what you have on hand, easily and confidently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.